Hi everyone, my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm going to share with you my top farmhouse Valentine's DIYs that I made last year. And I'm really excited for this video because I love how all these projects turned out so budget friendly and with a high-end look using this farmhouse style. And I just want to put them all together for you guys so you can get more ideas and more inspiration if you like this farmhouse style. So yeah, I hope that you like and enjoy this video. If you like them, please say big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage and my other channel, JAZOMY home. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video. And let's get started. Okay guys, for the first project, I will be using two of these Dollar Tree signs from Valentine's Day, and I will remove the heart they have, and then you need to sand just to make sure the area is smooth. Guys, I want to recommend this Ladybug mini vacuum that I have a while ago, and I like it so much because it is excellent to pick up the dirty or maybe the glitter that you have and keep your work area clean. It is small but it works very well. And in the description box of the video, I'm going to leaving you the link of my Amazon favorite products, just in case that you will like one of these too. To join these two signs, I'm gonna be hitting popsicle sticks on the back with my hot glue gun. Then I'm going to put some of this sparkling just to fill the holes that my sign has, and once it is dry you need to sand it to remove the excess product. To paint my sign, I decided to use my Waverly chalk paint in mineral color, and I gave 2 coats of paint to my sign. And guys, just to save time and not have to wait for it to dry itself, I will use this tool, and it is like a heat blower for crafters, and I love it. My husband gave it to me for Christmas and it works very well. And I also let the link of this product on my Amazon store of where you can get it. Once the sign is dry, let's work with the hearts. You need 2 of these wooden hearts from Dollar Tree. And for the first one, I will use this scrapbook paper that I get from Hobby Lobby. And I will draw the shape of the heart and then cut it. And to paste the scrapbook paper to the heart, I'm gonna be using Mod Podge. For the next wooden heart, I will use this wood stain in espresso color, and once I apply it, I'm going to remove the excess of this wooden stain with a napkin. Then I decide to glue the 2 hearts in the center of the sign and one on the top of the other one, and using my hot glue gun. To give the edges a nice touch, I'm going to hit jute cord. You can get this at Dollar Tree, but this one is from Walmart, and I just glue it to the back of the sign and turn it 3 times on each side. And guys, once you're finished, this is how your first project will look like. You could give it a distressed look with maybe a darker color to the sign, but I really want it to look like very simple and clean, and I just love how it turned out. And I think the detail of the jute cord on each side of the sign just give it a nice touch, so I'm so happy. I will be using this wooden heart from Dollar Tree, and this heart has holes, so I'm gonna try to cover those with this Dollar Tree sparkling, and I'm going to put a little bit inside of the holes and then let it dry, and then with a sanding sponge you can take out all the excess of product and make sure that the surface is smooth. Then I will paint it with my metallic silver spray paint and let it dry. I really want to create like a galvanized look, so I'm going to be using my pewter gray color and my white color. Also this type of brushes. Some of you guys ask me for things that I use, so you can find them on my Amazon store, and the link is in the description box of the video. First, I apply the gray color, and I'm gonna be trying to create spots throughout the heart, and then you need to apply the white color using the same technique. I also want that my heart have this slotted look, so I'm going to be using a roller, and then with a black marker I'm gonna try to create dashed lines throughout the heart. And I think it always looks better, this look, if you add like a burnt umber color around all the edges of the heart, just to give it like more dimension and to create like a weather look. So for this I'm going to be using this type of sponges, and some of you guys ask me a lot about these sponges that I always use, and yeah, I'm going to be leaving you that product on my Amazon store as well. And I'm also add a little bit of color of this burnt umber paint on each of the dash lines. To give it a final touch, I'm going to stick two of these foxtail from Walmart, I think it is, on the center top of the heart with hot glue, and also I'm going to add this bow with the buffalo check pattern. And for the heart to stand, I glue two pieces of wood blocks on the back side of the heart with hot glue, and that I actually paint in the burnt umber color as well. This will be the result of our slotted galvanized heart, and I just love how it turned out. I really like to create this type of look, and I think it looks a lot of quality, but actually it is a very inexpensive DIY. I will be using one of these famous trucks from Dollar Tree. This is like the Valentines edition. And first I will be removing all the wire garland from the truck. And then you must cut all the notches that the truck has using tweezers or a cutter. Once you're done, I'm going to use the metallic silver spray paint, and I'm going to give it a coat of paint and let it dry. And then I actually did a galvanized look in the same way as the wooden heart, and I'm so sorry I didn't show you like the steps for the galvanized. It's just I lost that clip, but I did the same thing that I did in my wooden heart. Okay guys, now I will work with a background for the truck, and for that I will use these Walmart stir sticks, and each package brings a total of 3 stir sticks. So you will need 2 packages and a total of 6 stir sticks. And you must cut the design that the stir sticks have on one side, and for that I'm going to use my saw machine. And as always, I try to put all my tools and things that I use on my Amazon store. After I cut them, I'm going to put them all together, and I'm gonna be trying to make them look like wooden planks. I'm not sure, something like that, but I think they look so cute. And then I'm going to glue them all together, and for that I'm going to use popsicle sticks from Walmart, and I'm going to stick them with hot glue on the back side. To give it some color, I'm going to use this wood stain in espresso color, and then with a napkin I always remove the excess of stain that has the wood and then let it dry. I decided to put a hanger on it, so I used this Dollar Tree nautical rope and cut a piece and tie a knot on each end. Then I stick it with hot glue on the top of the sign. Finally, I hit the galvanized truck to the sign, but only with a little bit of glue, because my plan is to reuse this wood sign for another project once Valentine is gone. And this will be the result of our project, and I really like it. I just love what the combination of the galvanized look with the wood stain looks like. For this next project, I'm going to be using this baby fleece blanket from Dollar Tree that has this gray and white buffalo check pattern. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is to cut 2 strips about 2 inches wide. Once I have my 2 strips, I'm going to be using this foam heart that I get from Dollar Tree. It has a really good size, but I don't like all the glitter it has. So what I'm going to be doing is to use the fleece blanket to cover all the heart. I'm going to be turning the strips into the heart, and then I'm going to add hot glue to make sure that it's not going anywhere. And I cut 2 strips, 1 to each side of the heart. Once I have my heart completely covered, this is how it's going to look, and I really like it. But now I want to add like a green touch to it, so I'm going to be using this greenery that I get from, I think it was Walmart, but you can get greenery in so many other stores like Dollar Tree, Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, I don't know, you name it. And what I'm going to be doing is to cover the top part of the heart with this greenery, and I'm going to stick it with hot glue. I cut this greenery like piece by piece just because it's easier to glue all the greenery and form that heart shape.
once the heart is completely covered with this greenery on the top, I decide that needs something else, like an extra touch. So I'm going to be using this ribbon, and I'm going to make a very simple bow, and I'm going to glue it on the top of the heart. Then to be able to hang these from a door, from a window, I need to make like a strip. So I'm going to be using the same ribbon. I'm going to fold it in half to make it a little bit thinner, and then I'm going to stick it on the back side of the heart. Once you're done, this is how your wreath is going to be looking, and it looks so cute. Like I said, you can hang it from a door, from a window, and it's going to look amazing. Or you can put it on any surface and give it that neutral Valentine's touch to any space.
I will use 2 packages of foam dies, and I lost the clip, but I paint them with my spray paint in metallic silver color and let it dry. And you will need paint in white and gray color to create a galvanized look, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I always use this type of brushes because it is much easier to make this look. And in my Amazon store, I'll leave you the product in case you are interested. First, I apply the gray color with the brush, creating like stains or spots all over the foam dies. And then you need to add the white color using the same technique. Once they are dry, I will place them all together, forming like a big square. And you can use paint, you can use markers, you can use your Cricut, or you can use the Dollar Tree stickers. And on one side of the foam dies, I'm going to form the word XOXO or XOXO. I don't know how to pronounce that. And yeah, I'm just going to stick the stickers. And then on the other side, I'm going to form the word love. But for the letter O, I'm going to put a wooden heart, and I think it looks cuter that way. Then I'm going to glue these buffalo check ribbon around the foam dies. And finally, you can add a bow, and I made this one with the same buffalo check ribbon, and I stick it on the top of the foam dies. And then on the other side, I stick this other bow that I made with another type of ribbon, just to add different colors and different textures.
Once I was done, this is how my project turned out, and I really like it. I love the galvanized look, and I love that this is a double side DIY that you can do very easy and perfect for Valentine's. And I really hope that you like and enjoy this video with all these ideas as much as I do putting all these DIYs for you guys. I hope that you like this farmhouse tile, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Let me know in the comments which of these projects was your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, and see you on my next video. Mwah! Bye guys!